G'day team, this is just a quick video to help anyone that wants to streamline their report writing and make it a little bit quicker. So we're going to show you a program called Teachers Report Assistant. So if you just Google Ray's Report Assistant, it will come up with this result. If you go to this website, you'll be able to download the program. The program looks like this. Now I've pre-entered a whole lot of different comments I've got from my comment bank, and you'll notice that the comments don't have names. So so-and-so has had a decent start to the year. His or her willingness to put, so instead of the name, I've got a hashtag. Instead of his or her, I've got a little dash there. So there's the key. So what I do is to create a comment bank for place value, say for example, for measurement, for capacity, for any area that I want to report on. And it's as easy as this. So if I wanted to write a report on a child called Harry, who's a boy, he's at standard. So there's an opening comment, and then I'm going to do a new paragraph. And then his place value is at standard. His measurement is above standard. His capacity is at standard. I'm going to do a new paragraph for reading. So a new paragraph for literacy comments. He's at standard for reading and maybe below standard for writing. And then a new paragraph for a closing sentence. So overall, he's probably at standard. Okay, so I'm going to copy the report that I've just written, and I'm going to paste it into a Google Doc where I can save all my comments. And there it is. Okay. Obviously, if you wanted to make another report, you could just clear it and you could start again. So Claire, she's a girl, so she's below standard. I'm going to do a new paragraph for my numeracy comment. Below standard, at standard for measurement, at standard for capacity. I'm going to do a new paragraph for my literacy. Let's do below, and then a new paragraph, and the closing statement will be below. Okay, once again, I'm going to copy it to the clipboard. I'm going to go back to my Google Doc and paste it there. Okay. If you've got any questions, just yell out. Thanks, team.